Hey, welcome back. We're not in the garage today, but I know I'm lacking on the bike content, but there is some bike content coming up. But what I wanted to post was this. Now, I know there's plenty of comments and plenty of videos on the quality of policing nowadays, and not wanting to get too political, but I was out in the car yesterday and this happened to me. It looks like the police car brake checked me. I don't know what was going on. I'm sure they weren't. But the standard of policing nowadays, and along with the standard of police driving, take a look at this. Obviously not the best, and then they go flying off afterwards. Make of it what you will. Anyway, there is some bike content coming up. Take care and ride safe.